Welcome back. In this video, we shall learn about comments in HTML. In HTML, comments are used to describe sections of your code. Now, to write a comment is very easy. To write a comment, we just say, and we pass in our comment. Here is my comment on the paragraph tag. Now let's create a paragraph tag under this and say this is my tag. Let's refresh. Let's head to the browser, refresh our browser and see what we have. As we all can see, this is my tag is the only thing displayed. Comments in HTML are never displayed on the browser. These are things you just write so the next person working with you will understand what is really happening here and what is really happening anywhere on the file. Thank you very much. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to watch the next video.